Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Last week, I taught you the book exercise from your grammar book regarding common noun and proper noun. I hope you all have understood. All have good idea about noun. Let's move to the topic now. Nouns can be singular or plural depending on the number of things they name. Singular nouns always denotes only one in number, one person, animal, place, or thing. For example, box, train, flower, rose, boy, room. Next, move to plural nouns. Plural nouns always denotes many, more than one, two, or many. Name more than one person, animal, place, or thing. For example, boxes, trains, flowers, roses, boys, rooms. Singular means only one in number. If we denote or speak about more than one thing, it must be added with s. We follow some rules to change nouns from singular to plural. Number 1. To change some nouns from singular to plural, we only add s at the end. For example, brother. When we change to plural form, we should add s. So, brothers. Shop. In plural form, it becomes shops. In a word, it ends in a hissing sound. S, sh, ch, x. Add es at the end. For example, peach. You can see ch at the end. When we change it into plural form, it ends with es. Peach, peaches. Dress. Dress ends with double s. When we change it into plural form, we should add es. Dress, dresses. If the word ends with y, we should check the previous letter. The letter before the y is a consonant. Change the letter y to I and add es. Now tell me, children, what are the vowels? As I have told you already, A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels in the English alphabet. Take the word baby. What is the last letter? Yes, Y is the last letter. Now, what is the previous letter? B is the consonant letter. Have told you already. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So, except A, E, I, O, U, remaining all the letters are consonants. Move to the examples. Baby. In the word baby, Y is the letter comes at the end. Yes. Now check the letter before Y. B is the letter before Y. B is a consonant. So we should change the letter Y to I and add ES. BABY. When it changed to plural form, it becomes babies. BABIES. Next, lily. Yes. Now check the spelling for lily. LILY. Yes, the last letter is Y. Check the before letter. Before letter is L. Also, L is a consonant. So, we should change the letter Y to I and add ES. Lily becomes lilies in plural form. LILIES. The fourth type is just opposite to the third one. In the fourth type, we will identify the vowel. Check the last letter. Then find out the before letter. If the before letter is a vowel, just add an S at the end. For example, key. When it changes to plural form, key becomes keys. In key, check the last letter that ends with Y. Check the before letter, it is a vowel. So, at the end, you should add S when we change to plural form. Then, boy, B-O-Y, boy. The last letter is Y. So, we should add S. Before the last letter is the vowel, that is O. So at the end we should add S. Boy become boys. Now move to the exercise. A part. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the nouns given in brackets. I repeat, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the nouns given in brackets. Number 1. Mr. Sood has two dash in his pocket. The options are watch, watches. Here it clearly shows two, more than one. So you should choose the answer watches. WATCHES, watches. Mr. Sood has two watches in his pocket. Number 2. Anita has a red dash. They have given you the option dress, dresses. Anita has a. The letter A denotes singular. So you should choose the option dress. DRESS. Number 3. The gardener cut off all the dead dash. The options are branch, branches. All the dead. All denotes many. So the correct answer is branches. BRANCHES, branches. Number 4. In my dream, the fairy granted me a wish or wishes. The options are wish or wishes. The letter A denotes singular. So we should choose the answer wish. WISH, wish. Move to number 5. There are lots of dash in our school. The options are room, rooms, lots of. It denotes many. So we should choose the option rooms. ROOMS. There are lots of rooms in our school. Number 6. To be healthy and strong, we must eat our dash regularly. The options are meals or meal. We must eat our. It denotes our food. So we should choose the option meals. To be healthy and strong, we must eat our meals regularly. Move to number 7. The dash were not allowed to go out after dark. Here you can identify the auxiliary verb where. You know the auxiliary verb or singular or plural. Auxiliary verb or plural. It takes the plural nouns. So we should choose plural nouns. The boys were not allowed to go out after dark. Here the answer is boys. Number 8. They planted many dash in their garden. The options are lilies. Here you can see lily and lilies in the option. They planted many. It denotes lot of, a plural form. So we should choose the answer lilies. LILIES. They planted many lilies in their garden. Hope you all have understood. Meet you all in the next session. Thank you.